Welcome, dear students, to our science class. Today is Monday. All right, guys, and we are going to take a new lesson. Sorry, not a new. It's something continuously as for yesterday. Before we talk about the continuous, I would like to share a small video with you. While I'm sharing, I need to stop recording. Are you ready, guys? Ready?
Yes.
Gonna pause recording. Now we're back. Now, okay, guys. Tina told us that she understood that when she touches something hard, the brain responds. And I told her that is because of your nerve system. So, your nerve system basically, it has two parts. Two or three? It has a brain and a highway. Is it a highway or something else? Hi, Tala.
It's like a highway that has
What do you call
two
the highway? What do you call it?
nerves.
No.
Nervous system.
This one over here, the long highway.
Spinal cord.
Yes, the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends messages from the brain through the spinal cord to the nerves, and the nerves will make you move or do the thing that the process that your mind or your brain did. Is that right?
Right.
Good. Okay. Now, after we know how the brain and nerve system works, we are going to learn about sight and smell. What other sense can work with the brain for you to feel something or touch something or recognize something for the nerve system? Tell me. Sight and smell, what else?
Taste.
Yes, taste and
Touch, feeling.
excellent touch or feel.
And hearing.
Hearing, excellent, also hearing. Now, how do you see the world of color and smell the yummy aromas at carnivals? Wow. Have you ever been to a food festival?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so definitely your eyes were crazy looking around you with all of the colors of the food and the smells, trying to know what is this smell? Is it Indian? Is it Japanese? No, it may be.
It smells familiar. But
yes.
I don't know.
So how this process is going on. Now I want you to read, please guys, before we read, let's see this exercise, okay? Because while we are reading, you are going to fill the exercise over here. You have eyes and nose, okay? Eyes and nose. It's in page 131 and 130. Okay, guys?
Miss, did you know that I think about our body with a weird way?
You think about what?
Like I just when I'm just I want to know what is inside our body and stuff, and then I just say I think it looks like that, and I think it looks like that, but actually
you
it
have
doesn't
a good
look
imagination
the same way.
then. You have a good imagination of a way of thinking. Okay, now let me tell you, ya Hilwa. What's your name? Tala.
Tala.
Have you ever seen the magical bus, the magical school bus?
No.
Are you familiar with it, guys? You have never seen a cartoon?
I have seen it. No.
Yes,
No. I just see its picture. Just.
who
Miss, you mean just the regular school bus, the yellow one?
No.
No,
It's a cartoon show. It's a cartoon show. It's about
science.
the magical school bus. Yes, Maria, have you seen it?
Yeah.
It's really cool, guys. You can find it on Netflix. It's really cool, and it's about learning science. Uh, um, a group of students and a teacher, they want to learn about everything inside the body or everything related to science. They are capable of being so short or tiny or small to get inside the human body or whatever. Of course, it's not real that they are getting inside the human body, but it's real what they say about the body and how it's work, nerves, how the brain give order. It's really fun, and it can teach you a lot. See, guys, if we have time, so I may pick an episode so we can watch it in one session. Instead of taking a lesson, we can watch a video about a story, not a video, episode from this cartoon movie, so we can learn and enjoy. But now, please, I want you to read the paragraph and answer this question. Okay?
Okay.
Good, good, good. All right. Who will start to read?
Me.
Okay.
Jody.
Okay,
Miss me,
Maria
please.
and Jody first. Maria and Jody first. Just a minute. I will read the question over here. And then
Okay.
Maria will start the sight. Jody will read the smell. Okay? Light. So eyes.
Okay.
Light enters the eye through the. This is what you have to find out from the sight. Okay? Then passes through the and hits the where nerve cells detect. Okay? So this is the eye. It has pupil, iris, lens, and retina. This is the retina, okay? The blue and red retina over here. This spot is the retina. Now, please, Maria, start. Sight.
Okay. Sight. Your eye is the sense organ that lets you see the world. The part of the eye that gives your eye color is the iris.
Just a minute. Now let's underline the part that gives the eye the color. Huh. What is it called? Hi, Maria.
Iris. Iris.
Excellent. Okay.
Light enters the eye through an opening in the iris called the pupil.
Oh, so light go through opening. What does it called?
Pupil.
Excellent.
Light then strikes the back of the eye, called the retina. Retina?
Yes, retina. Excellent.
Inside the retina are nerve cells that detect light.
Okay. These
nerve cells send signals along nerve pathways to the brain.
Wow.
The brain interprets this information, and you see.
Excellent. Now, this is how you see, how you use your sight. What is the first thing? Light enters the eye through what? Who can tell me? Through the?
Brain.
No, light enters the eyes through what? Over
Retina?
here.
Iris? Pupil?
Light enters the eye through an opening in the iris called?
Pupil.
Excellent. So it's pupil. Passes through the?
Retina? Lens.
No. No.
Iris.
Okay. Strike back of the eye called retina. Retina is the back of the eye. So it hits the retina. Before the retina,
Oh, this is so cool. Our eyes inside them.
yes, it is cool. Now let's see. So light enters the eye through the pupil. All right, here. And it hits what? Through the lens. This is the lens.
It could like take kind of a picture.
And it will hit the retina back. The small spot over there, back. Where nerve cells detect what? They detect what? They detect light, definitely. Of course, number 4.
Can I tell you something?
Of course, you can tell me.
When I blink on something, like when I blink on the screen, and then I blink on something in the screen, I just kind of take a picture of it, and when it comes the test or something, I just remember the picture in my mind.
Excellent, excellent. Nice way of memorizing things. Now let's see. Light will enter from the pupils, okay? Through the pupils. It passes through what? Before the pupils. What's over here? Lens. From the outside, what do I call it? Lens. See? It will go pupil, then it will pass through the lens. Sorry, the lens is over here. Inside, it will pass through the lens, and then it will hit what? This is the lens.
The retina.
Excellent, the retina. And then the nerve cell will detect what? This light, the whole light. Is it easy?
Yes.
Hi, guys.
Why when you sit beside the screen for a long time, why does your eyesight
because so much light, when you take few light, is it easier, or when you take so much light, you are harming your nerve cell? They are detecting so much light, maybe harmful light. That's why they can weakness your nerve cell over here, and your eye will be weak. Okay?
Yes, but if I increase the screen light from the
yes,
it
but
would
not
be easier for my eye to see, and it's also less.
Okay, you don't need to increase or decrease. You have to make it medium and fair enough to your eyes. Okay, make it fair enough to your eyes. Now, guys, one last time. Let's see. The light will go through what? Light enters through the
Pupil.
Over here, the pupil is what? Is it green, blue, black?
No. Red. It's blue.
Yes, excellent. It's blue. The pupil is blue. The eye color is blue. Excellent. So light will enter through the pupil. It will go through the lens and hit back in the retina. So retina catches light. Now, I want Jory to read, but again, guys, please read the questions first so you can know how to answer just like the eyes. Okay? You have the nose. When you breathe, air travels through your organ of smell, your nose. Inside your nose, structures detect what? This is the nose from the inside. Okay? Who detect in the air? These structures send messages to the who, and then to the who, where the message is interpreted. What do I mean by interpreted? Translate. Interpret means to translate. When the brain gets the message, it translates the message to actions, so it's interpret. Okay?
Miss, that means my brain is letting me choose this opinion.
Yes, not only
Not
opinion,
myself.
a function. It will decide what function should you do, or what function should you make, or what smells should you recognize, and etc. Okay, Judy, can you read the smell paragraph, please?
Okay, smell. When you breathe air into your nose, structures inside your nose sense.
Yes, sense what in the air? Okay?
Chemicals
Yes.
in the air. The structures are attached to nerve cells in the olfactory bulb
Excellent.
that sends messages to your brain about the chemicals. This makes up your sense of smell.
Excellent. This makes up your sense of smell. Now, what is the first thing? When you breathe air into your nose, what happens? Structures where inside your nose sense what?
Chemicals.
Yes, chemicals in the air. So when you take in oxygen, what? Your nose sense what? Your nose sense chemicals in the air. Then the structure are attached to nerve cells in the olfactory bulb. It will send message to your brain about the chemicals. That makes up the sense. Now let's answer the question. Now I want you guys to answer the question. Let's see. When you breathe, air travels through your organs. Smell.
Chemicals.
Okay, structure detect excellent chemicals in the air. These structures send message to the what?
Brain.
Really?
Olfactory bulb.
Excellent. So this is the olfactory bulb. Olfactory bulb. And then to the nerve cell, through the nerve cell. Who interprets the message?
Nasal passages.
No. Who will interpret the message? Who will translate the message? Then to the brain. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So chemicals, olfactory bulb, and then to the brain. So the message will be interprets. Okay, all clear, guys?
Yeah. No, I'm going to write.
You can write later, or you can watch the video again. You can screenshot. You can wait for the answer key.
Okay. Miss, sometimes you send the answer key, but just to sum it up, not the brain check.
Miss,
Maybe
I can't find the answer key.
it's in
I
your
go to my
email.
email, it's not there. I go to my email, it's not there.
What about you guys?
I find it every day.
It comes.
Like when you send
It comes, but there's
the
no
website.
There's
In
no
the website or actual email?
Miss,
No,
I
on the website.
I read it in the period, in the virtual class, or screenshotted. I don't.
Miss
go
or
to
my
the-
mom send it to me.
Oh, okay. Now let's see what else we have. Hearing and taste. Wow. How do you hear the crunch and taste the juicy sweetness of an apple? Wow. That's really nice.
I want to read.
Of course, am I? Okay. And as I told you, ears and tongues. Please, first of all, read the question on page 133, ears and tongues. So ears, the organ of hearing is your ear. Sound enters the ear, vibrations passes from the what?
Ear.
Two tiny bones called the hammer. See the hammer? Can you see the hammer? It's really small inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's so funny.
Anvil and stirrup vibrations then pass through the two tiny hairs attached to nerves. Now take a look at the picture. What can you see? You can see the eardrum.
Eardrum, hammer,
This is the
and
outer ear. This is the outer ear. Okay.
and
Let me put the
something.
pointer. Then the hammer. Then the anvil. And we have the stirrup. What is the stirrup? Do you know what is the stirrup?
No.
It looks yellow. And we have a coachley. Okay, the last thing over here is the coachley. The ear is very complicated. It's not simple, the ear. Subhanallah, we say Subhanallah. It's not about hearing only. There's something really nice I will tell you about now when we read about ears. Then the tongue, we have the taste buds, and we are going to do the exercise together. Now, Amal, can you read the hearing with me?
Can I read the taste? Your ear that you see is your outer ear. The outer ear funnels sound into the middle ear. Inside the middle ear, sounds causes the eardrum to vibrate.
So wait. The outer ear funnels. So the outer ear's funnels sound what? Sound into the
Middle ear.
So first, the outer. Second is middle. Inside the middle ear, what do we have inside the middle ear? See, number 2 is the middle ear. What's inside the middle ear?
Eardrum. Eardrum.
Sound causes the eardrum to
Vibrate.
So this is number 3. The eardrum will vibrate. The sound is going to make it vibrate.
Why don't
Then
we
this-
like feel the vibration when it vibrates?
Alhamdulillah that we cannot feel the vibration. Now the vibration are passed to a tiny what? Bones. These bones are what? These bones pass vibration to the inner ear. They're a fluid-filled structure.
Why there is fluid in your ear?
Coachella. Okay.
Coach.
Passes vibration to tiny hairs attached to nerves. So finally, who gives it to the nerves? Who passes?
The tiny hairs attached to the nerves.
Excellent. From the coachella, the vibration to tiny hair attached to the nerves. Okay,
It
the
sounds
nerve
weird.
sends message about the vibration to the brain, and then you hear. Now,
Oh my God! This whole steps just to hear, and it's
say
just like for a
Subhanallah.
second.
What do you say?
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah. Now you have the steps. I bet you can do the exercise. Now look, let's take a look about the taste. Yes, yeah.
Can I read, please?
Okay, Tyler, you wanted to read from the first place. Okay.
Taste.
Taste.
Have you ever noticed small bumps all over your tongue? Inside these bumps are taste buds. Taste buds sense the chemicals in food. They are attached to nerves that send messages to the brain. The brain interprets this information as taste.
Excellent. Okay. Now let's see over here how we can answer. Who
I
wants
thought
to
it was
answer with
just
me?
the texture.
Jenna, can you do it with me, please? The organ of
Okay.
hearing is your ear. Sound enters the ear. Vibrations will pass from the what to tiny bones called hammer?
Mm,
Yes, I know.
Anvil.
Thank you, Jenna. Yes, yeah, Ahmad.
Vibration passed to tiny bones.
Okay,
Yeah,
from
what is
what?
the missing word?
From where?
Miss, is
Eardrum.
it
I know.
eardrum?
Please.
Okay, it's from the eardrum to tiny bones called hammers, anvil, and stirrup.
Yeah.
Then vibration, see over here, it's from the outer ear, but before the tiny bone, it will move through the
Middle
ear.
ear.
This is the middle ear.
Nerves.
What? No, eardrum. Look at the eardrum. Before the hammer, anvil, and stirrup, what do we have over here? The eardrum. So this is the middle ear. The middle ear
So
has
small.
the outer ear and the eardrum. The eardrum will take the vibration and pass it to a tiny bone, okay? Then these vibration will pass through after the stirrup.
Eardrum. Right?
The stirrup. After the stirrup comes what? The coach?
Coachella.
Yes, and two tiny hairs attached to nerves. Excellent. Okay, tongue. Tongue is the organ of taste. Is your tongue. When food enters the mouth, structures on the tongue sense what? What do you sense?
Chemical.
Excellent. You sense chemical like you smells chemical in the food. These structures are called what? The bump.
Taste bud.
Excellent, taste buds. So eardrum and coachella, chemicals and taste buds. Guys, if you don't go back to when you to listen and revise, you will forget about them all. So what I really want from you guys is to revise, okay? Revise today after the lesson. Try to read more about it. Maybe you watch a video about it, or
Yes.
and if you have any question, you can ask me. That's it for today. Let's stop recording and take your questions.